Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to see which app is secretly using your internet data in the background. Now this works on Android, so let's get started. Go to your settings. Now search for data usage. Go to your data usage. Now you can see data usage. Click on it and you can see mobile data usage. Click on that. Now these are the apps that using your mobile data in the background. So let's say you don't want this app to use your data on the background. Click on it. You can see allow background data usage. If you click the toggle off, that means this app will not use your mobile data in the background. Now let's go back. At the very bottom you can see Wi-Fi data usage. Click on that. And these are the apps that using your Wi-Fi data in the background. So that's how you can know which app is using your data in the background. So thank you for watching.